Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. With iOS 26, Apple has introduced a completely new look for the Safari browser. While this is nice and simple, some people don't like it and want to get the old look of the Safari browser back. If you're one of those people, then keep watching as that is exactly what we're going to show you in this tutorial. Start by launching the Settings app and tapping on the Apps option. Here, find and tap on the Safari option. When you're on the Safari settings page, scroll down until you get to the tabs section. Here, compact option might be selected by default. Tap on the bottom option to have the address bar and controls at the bottom of the screen. You also have the option to select the top layout. This layout places the address bar at the top while putting browsing controls at the bottom. This layout might feel a little difficult to use for those with larger iPhones as the address bar can become hard to reach. That's it. This is how you can change Safari's layout on devices running iOS 26 or later. If you found this guide helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.